Good morning. I'm Will.
I'm Renee.
And together we're Phoenix Curations. Today we're here with another unboxing of some B&G. We have a box of men's returns and an affiliate box. And there's, you can't see it, but there's two piles of clothes here. So what are the numbers, Renee?
So the affiliate sampler box was billed as this is a little bit of everything we have. If you've never tried us before and you want to see what we have to offer, you can get these 10 items for $99.99. So 10 pieces in all. You add in tax and shipping, and it was $11.45 a piece, which is quite a bit. Because they were billing it as a kind of promotion to pull in more business, we gave it a try, and we wanted to let you know what it was. So, and then the other one is the men's popular retail returns, 10 pieces, $39.99. And then if you add in the tax and shipping, it's $5.45 a piece, which is pretty low risk for us.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you what we got.
So it looks like most of the boxes we get, they're between 5 something and then 7 something per item.
Correct.
So the affiliate box is a little more than that. So
yes. Let's see. Was it worth it?
First, we're going to do the men's box. Men's popular returns. This is a Stant, S-T-A-N-T-T shirt. I'm not familiar with that brand. This is a polyester shirt. It's on the thinner side. Like I said, I've never heard of the brand.
Yeah, I haven't either. It has this little Crosby
here
size on the wrist.
Yeah, Crosby,
I think it's a 15. It's little.
Yeah,
so we'll look that up. Maybe it's worth it. We will give you a spoiler alert. We were not overwhelmed by this box. So this is just a kind of heavyweight thermal 3-button by Wrangler Authentic, size 2XL. And of course, made with tags. We see no flaws. We will be hard pressed to get our money back out of that.
12. We might list it for 14, maybe at the most, and hope to get a few less than that.
Yeah, hope to get 12.
A pair of Adidas Sweatpants. These are small. Boy, they are size
small.
Yeah,
their track pants are actually really pretty nice.
Retail for $70. Yeah, this is a nice pair of pants.
I think that the 3-stripe Adidas thing is kind of oversaturated, so I'm not sure how these will go. They're nice ones, so we'll see. Give it a go. Hopefully one of y'all know what this is, because I don't know what this is. It's from Nordstrom Rack. It's from Topman. Topman is the men's top shop. I don't know what this STRN is on the front, and it just says always #1 original edition, and it says the same down the sleeves, and it's just a long sleeve tee in a smaller size.
All right, we did get a few pairs of pants in this. This is a pair of Nautica soft twill classic fit, 40 by 30. So it's a pair of basic chinos, khaki pants.
So these are Dickies. Dickies used to be a thing. I don't know if they still are. 30-32. These are just your basic work pants. They're black. I think these will sell. They're Dickies Flex, engineered to move.
Skinny fit, straight leg. So
yeah, they're just not going to sell for a ton, but I do think they'll sell. We'll have to check comps on that.
All right, this is a pair of black or dark gray Dockers jeans. They're not denim, but they're cotton.
$10.
Yeah, straight
about $10. We've sold them before. We got them in a men's box from ThredUp, brand new with tags like that, but we only paid $3 for those, not $5. So we did get our money back from those. This is just your basic Champion tee. It's black on black with the C, and then it has the little patch on the shoulder. Size medium. I don't know. It's not that it's not sellable, but who's going to pay $7 shipping for this item? Even $4.99.
Yeah.
I mean, unless they get a bundle.
Maybe we can bundle it with something.
Maybe. I mean, that's the thing. If you bundle, and that's the way to shop on Poshmark.
Yeah.
you'll do okay. And we even talked about making a video to kind of help people learn how to bundle and shop on Poshmark, because it can be a learning curve, and I think sometimes people just give up.
Well, we'll get there. How long are the video ideas we have?
Yeah, so, the 10,000 videos we're going to do.
Wrangler Authentics 3132. I think that this is not one of their, I think this might be a mid-level jean from Wrangler. I know they have Premier, and then their regular, I think, are just regular. We'll have to look it up. Anyway.
Those look like ranch hand pants to me. Like they're meant to move because they're tighter at the waist and kind of looser in the hips.
3132. Straight leg.
So last item. These I think are sellable. These are sweatpants, or as we say now, joggers. My kids have corrected me, and I'm teachable almost. Hair size extra large, and they're really pretty thick and high quality. They have pockets, and I think right now people are in need of lounge pants. A lot of sitting on the sofa, a lot of doing work around the house, and it requires a different kind of clothing.
So for the amount of work it's going to go into list these and what we're going to get out of it,
yeah, only 10 pieces isn't really a good cross section. Some of them may be better. Whenever they get men's boxes, they sell out like that.
Yeah, and we have had some men boxes do well. Those thread up.
Thread up. Our first thread up did great. The second one we're still working on. I don't know if we're going to get.
So now, what are we going to do next?
We're going to go on to the affiliate box. Now keep in mind, this box was marketed to give you a good idea of what they have to offer, which to me should be a promotional thing to entice people to order more items. I will just say we were completely underwhelmed with the $11.45 per item cost, and if I can return this, I'm going to return it.
So let's look at why we think what we think. You can make your own decision as well. This is a bar 3 dress, size extra large, cold shoulder, straps.
It's not these items are bad. They're not bad. They're sellable, but the price was it just doesn't justify the $11.25 per item. And maybe they're running out of stuff. People are just swarming them. I don't want to badmouth them. This is a Soul Society, which is a Nordstrom house brand, I think. It's just a brand new tags bag. It does have a crossbody strap in there, so it can be a clutch or a bag, and it's in good shape. It's kind of a rose gold metallic
closure or
magnet
closure.
Yeah, it has that fold over metallic clasp. Anyway, so that's that. Comes with a dust bag.
This is a little Mason Jewels medium. It's a sleeveless top.
Yeah, I'm not in love with that. It looks cheaper than it actually is to me, and I don't want to insult anybody's taste if you love it, and I'm sure there are people out there that could style it in a way that
it's got a flaw.
Yeah.
It's got a pull in the fabric.
Yeah, there are people I'm sure that could style it and make it look very nice.
Mm-hmm.
I do not have that talent. This is insane to me. So this is a little Topshop, little crop top, and it is a size small. But the thing is this only retailed for $10 to begin with. So I paid more than retail for this item. That's why I'm saying that the pricing is just not justify the items.
So, again, we're seeing the same brands as we got in our plus size box. This is a BP.
Brass plum.
Yeah, brass plum, thank you. Tank top with a ruffle shoulder.
Yeah, and that's really cute, and that would sell, but you're not going to sell it for much, and it probably was only $20 retail maybe. Mm-hmm. This is a little nicer item. These are blank NYC, which I think is having problems selling, but I'm actually wearing some blank NYC jeans, I think, and I like them. These are, it looks like low or mid-rise, kind of white flare jeans. Mm-hmm. This is called the Shoplifter. Good grief. Skinny flare. Yeah, it does have some stretch in there. Most modern jeans do. And so I don't think, this to me is kind of a win for summer. Nice white jeans are always nice. That's maybe the best item in there.
Is it Mason and Jewel's Melbourne style size small? Yeah, I see what you mean. It's got a belt with it. It's a little dress.
Yeah, I do like the color contrast and I like the color.
Yeah.
I'm not especially wild about the lace with the shirt, but I don't know. Maybe it's just not my taste. So here we have a nice brand to resell. It's Free People, but it's just a little tank, and it's just a little ruffled tank, and it's just not going to sell for a ton. It certainly, to me, doesn't represent all that B&G has to offer. It may have been sold at Revolve or Nordstrom's, but when we got the Nordstrom Revolve box, it was a lot better than like this level of item.
All right, this is a pair of Vanilla Star shorts, mid-rise, midi. We have a Vanilla Star shirt, ombre shirt. It's been sitting on our closet for almost a year.
Yeah.
They don't go from, they don't cost too much. I don't know where these are sold, but.
It's a junior brand from Macy's or Dillard's or Belk or one of those. And I'm sorry if you can hear someone knocking at my door. I apologize.
Okay.
And then last of all, we have these Soul Society shoes, new in the box, size 11. And they're not bad shoes, but I wouldn't have even picked these up at the thrift store for $11.25. So, I don't know. They're cute, and we don't have any problem selling shoes in size 11 or 12 or whatever we can get them in. But again, I don't think it was quite worth the price tag.
No, so they will.
All right.
Not order another one of those boxes.
I think they took them off the website, and I wonder if that's why. I wonder if people were really unhappy. And we can say that about B&G. They're responsive. Yeah. If you talk to them, they are responsive. And so, like I said, if I can send this box back, I'm going to do it.
All right. So that's 2 boxes.
Yep. And I think we're going to do the last box as a separate video because it's pretty good.
Yeah. Right.
So, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll be wearing the same clothes, and you'll see us on a different day.
All right. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like what we do. And if you have any comments, we're always willing to learn and listen. So let us know.
Bye, everyone.